Good morning, children. We are going to learn about the short A, R, or R sounds in CVC patterns. Let us begin with the two letters to be paired off later with the consonants. Let us read this one. Are you ready? Ba, ha, da, ga, ha, ja, ka, la, ma, na, pa, qua, ra, sa, ta, va, ya, za. This is a car. Have you seen a car? What about this? A bar. A chocolate bar. Far. What do you mean by far? A jar. This is a jar. And this is Mar. Mar is a boy. And this is a tar. They are dirt in our teeth. War. Have you seen people on a war? It is story time. We will learn about the story today with the short R sounds. The title of the story is Mar's Car. This is Mar. Mar has a toy car. He wants to put a big jar on it, but it cannot fit. So he left his car and filled the jar with a